Hey everyone. So I was scrolling through LinkedIn the other day and stumbled upon this interesting post about AI in the AC industry. And it kind of got me thinking. And, I agree with this post. There are people that see it in this binary way where it's either going to take your job or it's going to help us do our jobs better. But I think it's not just about AI aiding us or taking our jobs away. There's a possibility it could redefine job roles and even the creative processes that we know of today. And then I kind of just felt compelled to share some thoughts with you all. Looking at it from a lens beyond just replacement or aid. There's just so much more to it, I think. So in the past, the master builder was kind of the jack of all trades. So managing everything from design to construction, using basic materials like rocks, mud, wood. It was also all about creating shelters that were functional and safe, at least mostly safe. If you want to learn more about master builders, and histories on like where codes come from and stuff. This article here is pretty good, and I'll kind of bring this together throughout this video on why I'm mentioning the master builder. I think it's kind of important to understand the history and where I think things are going in the future. So, as civilizations advanced, so did technology and materials, and this led to an evolution of distinct roles like architects and engineers, builders, each bringing kind of their own expertise to make a building. Make one come to life and actually get it created in the world, and not just a building, but or not just a strong and safe building, but aesthetically pleasing building, a very functional building, an optimized building. Those required more specialist roles. So here's where it gets interesting, I think. We're at the point where AI can be more than just a tool. It could merge all of these specialized roles back into kind of a modern master builder. It's about AI working as a partner, optimizing designs, ensuring sustainability, and offering solutions that perhaps we wouldn't even have thought of in the first place. So here's kind of the cool part about AI in design. It's not just about helping out or giving a few fancy options in design or construction, but AI can make designs better and more sustainable, changing how we think about building places. And what I think is the best part and what's really cool is those awesome designs that used to be just for a handful of projects. With AI, way more people can have spaces that look great, feel safe, and that work exactly how they expect them to. So it's opening up the best of design to everyone. So this is why I mentioned the master builder and kind of the evolution of starting with simple buildings with a main just a single person that kind of orchestrated and created the building and made it come to life, turned into specialized roles, and more people involved and more decisions to make, because I think it will evolve. The evolved master builder, powered by AI, a more modern, master builder powered by AI, can change, I think, client interactions, offering immersive experiences and continuously adapting and refining design capabilities. Um, providing sophisticated solutions as it learns. Every project will learn more and more, and it'll start to take more of that. And I feel like, when it becomes, incredibly knowledgeable about all of these different specializations, and you incorporate robotics into that, you're going to start to almost go backwards, not backwards technologically, or in the way that we design buildings and all the advances we made, but in the sense that we'll go back to, a master builder, somebody that's just interacting with the AI, potentially even the client, interacting with the AI and building a building. Now, is that going to happen today? No. It'll probably be many years from now before something like that exists. But I feel like it's an important conversation to have, because what does that mean for the industry 10, 20 years from now? All right, so to wrap things up, AI can reshape, our industry in just amazing ways, allowing us to focus on innovation and creativity. I think it's crucial that we embrace AI as a partner, not just as a replacement or aid, fostering, in collaboration, dialogue to navigate ethical, societal, professional changes it brings. Let's imagine a world where our societal structures and economies are thriving, even as traditional jobs evolve and possibly become obsolete. So this was a quick look at this stuff, and I appreciate you joining me and just kind of exploring this topic. I'd love to hear, um, your thoughts on this. What you think about these technologies? Do you think they're going to take, totally reshape the way that we design buildings or even how we work today? What does that look like? I'd love to hear. So feel free to comment below. If you like this, subscribe, hit the like button. Also on screen here are the Discord channel. That's free. Check that out. There's pretty big community there. Ask your questions and interact with other team members. I think it's a really cool place. And then the Patreon, if you want to check that out and donate to the page. I don't post anything on Patreon. Um, Everything that I create goes to GitHub, and that's kind of where I go. If before I post videos, I'll upload resources and stuff. So if you want to check out Patreon, but you're not missing anything if you don't. But anyways, thanks for joining. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.